Today's January 13th. It's a Friday, and I'm on my way to work. 2012 coming at you. First major snow ride of the year. I'm on my Diamondback mountain bike. Lately I've been riding a cyclocross bike, but now I have the luxury of having two bikes, and this heavier bike feels much better in the snow. There's a pretty slick little layer of ice on the ground. It's not super thick, but enough where I better be careful. The snow ain't too deep, luckily, so far the pedaling ain't bad, and this is generally the worst part because the plows usually don't get here till later in the day, but the road is pretty beat down from traffic already, so I'm in a relatively high gear because the snow ain't too deep. If the snow was deeper, I'd practically be in a granny gear right now. Friday morning, TGIF. I'm actually going to go up a gear, so I want to try to get this ride over with before the memory card runs out of memory. Sokolowski's. Shit. This road is kind of shitty. This is the tough part now. I gotta ride into the wind. It's just hard to pick up speed. It's fucking slippery. It's snow. Shit. Damn it. Damn, it's fucking deep here. Not the only one out here. Can't see the skyline. I hate riding over this bridge in the winter. There's nowhere to ride. You gotta ride with traffic. I spoke too soon about the roads being in good shape. It's pretty shitty out here. Oh good, I'm out of the wind finally. Oop, the plastic bag blew off the camera. Little break to wipe off the lens, get going here before the memory card runs out. I have 2 gigs to use. It's roughly 12 minutes. The deck of this bridge is usually slippery because it's corrugated steel, like a steel grid. I usually ride the sidewalk because it's slippery, but I don't feel like fucking around getting off the bike, so I'm just going to ride very gingerly over this metal deck, which can be very treacherous. At least it's nice and wide. Alright, I'm off that fucker. Yeah, I don't think I'd be wanting to ride that cyclocross bike right now. It could handle this, it's supposed to handle it, but it's just too much bike. This bike is nice and heavy, and it's got nice fat tires with knobs on it, and I like that. I feel like totally like planted it. I don't feel too awkward. I'm riding through snow now, it ain't too bad. Going across that bridge was a hassle, it always is. They're supposed to fix it to make it more bike friendly. I'm not holding my breath. It's actually kind of nice now because I'm not into the wind. It's pretty. I have one more stretch where I go into the wind right before I get to work. But for now I can enjoy it a little bit. Kind of heading into the wind again. It's kind of calm back here. Whoa, I almost wiped out there. It's pretty icy. It's just, whenever I ride in this, I just think about all those nice hot summer days where it's like 90 degrees. I'm sweating my ass off. I love that. I can't wait to get back to that. But it's winter now. This is what it's all about. A lot of ice over here. I'm pretty paranoid about the ice. Oh good, the sidewalk shoveled up there. Yay, City of Cleveland. Ooh, it's pretty though. Sure is pretty. Let's see if the camera's still going. No, it just broke my fender. Got caught on my leg. That sucks. $15 fender. Plastic piece of shit. It caught on my leg, and as I was getting back up on the bike, it snapped off. I'm guessing that thing will be floating in the Pacific Ocean in a few months. Hey, this is nice. This doesn't usually get shoveled and salted like this. This is the bonus. I'm in the bonus around here. Normally I chug through this unshoveled sidewalk in granny gear. I always think of the Beverly Hillbillies when I think of granny. Oh, this is... Oh, the camera turned off, so put it back on. This ain't bad here. East Bank construction site. Not too bad. It's a good workout. Whatever.